Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see how to onboard Azure subscription to Security Center standard version. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal. So what exactly is Security Center? Security Center is a unified infrastructure security management system that would strengthen the security posture of your data centers and provides advanced threat protection across your hybrid workloads in the cloud, whether they are in Azure or not, as well as on premises. So keeping the resources safe is always a joint effort between the cloud provider, Azure, and the user, whosoever has tenant on the Azure AD or on any cloud. And when you move to infrastructure as service, there is more customer responsibility than there is in PaaS, which is platform as a service, and software as a service. Azure Security Center provides us the tools needed to harden the network, secure the services, and make sure that we are on top of the security posture. So, first of all, to onboard the Azure subscription to the Security Center, we'll have to automate the data collection. So, Security Center collects the data. Security Center collects data from the Azure VMs and non-Azure computers to monitor the security vulnerabilities and threats. Data is collecting using the Microsoft Monitoring Agent, which is MMA, which reads various security related configurations and event logs from the machine and copies the data to the workspace for the analysis. By default, Security Center will create a new workspace, and when the automatic provisioning is enabled, Security Center installs the MMA on all supported Azure VMs and any new VMs that are created. Automatic provisioning is strongly recommended, but entirely depends upon the decision of the organization how they want to implement it. So as you are on the Azure portal, go to the Security Center. And when you are at the Security Center, you see this Getting Started option on the left hand side. And it says enable Security Center standard tier on your subscription. Get started with the 30-day free trial. But I have already used my 30-day free trial here. So I get an option to click on upgrade. So when I click on upgrade, I will be charged. And these are the charges that $15 for a per server every month. App service instances would be $15 instance per month, and so on and so forth for all the different services that I'll use. So if you would not have used trial version of the Azure Security Center standard, you can use ahead and explore new settings, how the thing's going to work in the Security Center. And when you will go under the pricing and settings, if you go click here, these are the standard tier provides enhanced security here, right? So standard has continuous assessment, security recommendations, secure score, just-in-time EM access, adaptive application controls, regulatory compliance, threat protection for supported PaaS services. And if you would click on data collection, take few seconds to load. And so you see the auto provisioning. So Security Center collects security data and events from the resources and services to help prevent, detect, and respond to threats. So if this enables the automatic installation of the MMA on all the VMs in the subscription. If it is turned to on, then all of the VMs or all of the services that you will deploy, and as I have already used the trial, so I'm already on the standard version of the Security Center, this MMA would deploy it on every resource that I'll provision. So make sure that there will be charges. So if your VM is running for an hour or a day, then you would also be charged for the Security Center workspaces as well. So if this is off, you can turn it to on and then click on save. I'll turn it to off, that I do not want to auto provision data collection from all my resources on the Security Center workspaces. But in the coming videos, I'll tell you that if you set the data collection and the auto provisioning to off, then how would you enable security center on the VMs when the auto provisioning is off? So in that case, you'll have to deploy the workspaces, and then you have to enable the data collection and so on and so forth. I'll make a video on that as well. So you click on save because it was on for me. I set it to off. If it's off for you, you set it to on and click on save. So I hope this was informative to you. So in the next video, we will see how you can onboard the computers that are not that the VMs that are running outside of the Azure. So I'll try to make a video on that as well. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.